Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Long Time Today. We got another huge update, as now seeing new evidence surfacing that could potentially be sending this Stormy Daniels hush money case straight towards a MISTRIAL, or a reversal. You guys, you heard it here first. This is tipping the boat judge. One merchant is freaking out alongside his partner in crime, bragging this newest update. I'm excited to see what's going on here, so I won't do too much talking on the front end, guys. I'll save it all for the end, so definitely stick around to the end, so you guys get my thoughts on the back end, and also YouTube pushes this video out. Definitely stick around until the end, you guys, but let's get straight into the news. Before we do that, though, make sure you guys hit that like button for me, and also hit that subscribe button, as we're on the road to the truth. Hop aboard for the journey. Let's get into it. MISTRIAL. It's not official yet, but we have the first bit of evidence that this thing is going to get a mistrial based on a leak on Facebook. I have the documents here, and this is going to break Alvin Bragg and Juan Marin's hearts, and that's a good thing. Welcome to Doe and Exile. This is where the happy patriots are as we watch this, the Trump felony under scrutiny. Now, this is from a legal letter that Juan Merchan was required to send out to both the prosecutors and the defense. Here's the document. We'll just put it up on screen. Here, this is from the Supreme Court of the State of New York, from the desk of Juan Merchan, the Court of Claims. This was sent via email, sent today, Todd Blanche Esquire and Ada Joshua Steinglass. Dear counsel, today the court became aware of a comment that was posted on the Unified Court System's public Facebook page, which I now bring to your attention. In the comments, the user Michael Anderson, unquote, states, "My cousin is a juror and says Trump is getting convicted. Thank you folks for all your hard work," with a heart, unquote. Now this is going to open up an investigation. I only know this much. Remember, Mark Zuckerberg owns Facebook. They could find out this Michael Anderson guy who posted this, and all I can say is, if he is the cousin of a juror, Facebook would know, and they could turn over this evidence to Juan Merchan. So Zuckerberg, who's a Democrat, if he finds this is legit, he will bury it and say, "We will not look at our users' messages. We will not spy on our users." But if this guy is a fraud, and if he's a fake, and if this is just a troll, then Zuckerberg will say, "We're going to investigate this message," and they'll go back and find and prove that he wasn't a cousin of one of the jurors. That's my theory. It's a weird theory, but I mean, I think it's dead on. This is how these people act. Let's continue on this letter. The comment, now labeled as 1 week old, responded to a routine UCS notice posted on May 29, 2024, regarding oral arguments in the 4th Department of the Appellate Division. Unrelated to this proceeding, the posting, entitled, quote, "The Appellate Division 4th Department will hear oral arguments this morning at 10, unquote. So that was the original post on Facebook, and then that guy commented below, this was before oral arguments were finished. This was before they were supposed to this whole case was supposed to go down, and the comments are both viewable at, and there's the facebook.com inth New York Court. So that's what Juan Merchan sent. This is very truly yours, Juan Merchan, you Judge Court of Claims. So he has signed this official document, and this went out all over the internet. And the first thing we all said is this is a mistrial. So this is exactly the kind of thing, if proven legit or reasonably legit, that someone was talking about how they were going to rule before they heard all the evidence. This will get thrown out as a mistrial. This exactly the kind of stuff that a lawyer needs. The prosecution, I mean the defense for Trump, is going to be all over this thing, and they could end this whole court case. Trump would no longer be a felon. There would no longer be a court, I mean a UA sentencing period, to go to jail. They would have to retry this whole case, maybe even change venue, and certainly they would go with all new jury, and so we start over, and the defense for Trump would know that exact tactics the prosecution's going to do, and do much better. So this is good news. Alvin Braga's sweating and crying right now in his sleep. Good news for Trump. Once again, fate God reality among time. The news happens to come out for Trump. I'm celebrating, I'm loving it, ye there, we have it guys. Coming from our for Doe and Exile, I'll definitely be sure to leave that original video link down in the description box below for those who want to go over there. Check that out. Also you guys to go over there and show our friend Doe a bit of love. Oh my goodness talk. A thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel for more updates.